You can't finish if you don't start. I chopped all this apple wood just the other day, and now it's time to bring it into the bottom of the barn so that I can keep it out of the elements. I got the old Frankenbarrow here. Yeah, my redneck wheelbarrow working. Oh, here we go. All right, good to go. Kept it balanced. Bring it into the bottom of the barn here so that I can put it into this wood stall. Like I said, you can't finish if you don't start. That little pile is where you got to start, my friends. No matter what it is in life, you always start with a little pile, and you just keep on adding to it. Day by day, row by row, log by log, and you just keep building that shit up. This is how you get things done. If you've got a list of shit to do, my friend, start somewhere. You can't finish if you don't start. You know, one log at a time, I'm getting this shit done. Look at this. I mean, these logs are definitely not the most uniform logs. So, it was challenging to get these things to stay up this high and straight and not tip over. But for the most part, I did it, and I'm happy with that. Now it's time for cleanup, my friends. You gotta clean it up, you know what I mean? You gotta make this shit look good, right? This is part of the job, too. Cleanup is half the damn job, all right? Don't start it if you don't want to do this shit, right? You gotta get in there and put your fucking nose to the grindstone and get this shit done. This is going to look so much better when I'm done, and I am so happy that I'm completing this project because I've been honestly procrastinating that wood pile for a couple of years now. But look at this. I mean, it's all swept. It's all pretty. Sure, I got some leaves in the edge there, but that I got to clean up. But whatever. And this right here, this is amazing. That used to be that nasty, unsightly pile of wood under those tarps that were decaying. And now it's all pretty again. Well, as pretty as it can be. This used to be a room that was attached to the old barn that we had, but that fucker burnt down and this room was not rebuilt. So now I've got this awesome slab here that I can't wait to do something with. Pressure wash it, get it all looking pretty this spring maybe. Who knows? We'll see in the future, my friends. For now, this job is done and I'm happy.